Hi, I'm Ben, the CEO of Altrady. Let me ask you, do you know exactly when your trades are in profit? Understanding your break-even price is a game changer for any trader, and it can save you from missed opportunities. In this video, we'll dive into tracking your break-even price and how Altrady makes it super simple to calculate it in seconds. And if you enjoyed these videos, then make sure to give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel to receive a notification anytime that there is a new video. Now let's dive in. There are many ways to enter a trade. You could use moving averages, RSI indicators, or even signals from tools like the crypto base scanner. But no matter your strategy, knowing when to sell is critical. Sure, we all know the classic advice, buy low and sell high. But how high is high enough? A common mistake among traders is waiting too long to sell and not selling enough. This often means that before their target hits, the price drops and they miss out on profits. For example, if you bought the dip, it might be easy to see that you're not yet in profit. But in other cases, it can be tricky to know when you're exactly making gains. So how do you determine if you're in profit? The answer is simple. You have to calculate your break-even price. Your break-even price shows the point where your investment is fully recovered. To calculate it, you need to know your total investment, how much you've recovered, and the coins you still hold. Let me break this down with an example. If you bought one Bitcoin at 97,000 and another at 93,000, your break-even point is calculated as 97,000 plus 93,000 divided by 2, which is 95,000. But what if you sold a portion of your holdings? Let's say you bought 2 Bitcoin, then sold half a Bitcoin for 94,500, recovering 47,250. Your new break-even price is 97,000 plus 93,000 minus 47,250 divided by 1.5. Giving you 95,833. As you can see, these calculations become more complex as the trades pile up. Plus, you need to calculate your realized profit, your unrealized profit, and your total profit. So why Altrady's break-even calculation is better? You could use an Excel sheet to track all this data, but it's time-consuming, error-prone, cumbersome, and especially if you trade in multiple markets. So that's where Altrady comes in. With Altrady's break-even calculator, everything is automated. Syncs directly with your exchange, no more manual copying, and you can see live price updates to ensure that your unrealized profit is calculated accurately. At a glance, you'll see your break-even price, realized, unrealized profit, and total profits, remaining coins and dollars left to recover. This saves you time, reduces errors, and keeps your trading on track. If you want to try the Altrady break-even calculator, simply visit altrady.com and start calculating your break-even price in seconds. For active traders with a lot of history, just import your trade data and Altrady will calculate your break-even prices for all the markets instantly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications for more time-saving trading tips. Stay tuned for more from Altrady.